To begin with, these soil organisms can be thought of as being in one of two broad categories. Those categories would be the macroorganisms and the microorganisms. Well, I'm sure that most of us know that macro and micro mean large and small. So when we talk about macroorganisms and microorganisms, we're talking about those organisms which are larger in size, basically those of which we could see without the aid of magnification or a microscope or some form of magnification in this case. Then we also have the microorganisms, those of course which would require magnification for us to be able to see those visually. Well, when it comes to nutrient cycling and the role that these organisms play in the organic matter cycle in the soil, it's really the microorganisms, the ones that we can't see with our naked eyes, that are the primary or chief decomposer organisms in the soil, and so important and vital to us in terms of their ability to break down this organic material and release nutrients to the plants which grow in that soil. All of these macro and microorganisms fall into that approximately 1 to 5% of the total weight of the soil, which we call basically organic material. So other than classifying these organisms as macro and micro, we then need to look at what specific types of organisms exist in the soil. We're going to begin our discussion with the microorganisms, and then when we finish that, we'll progress into the macroorganisms.